So about a month ago, I purchased a 3D printer. Since then, I've always wanted to see if I could print something for my camera. My Leica M2 with the Voigtlander 35mm Nokton Classic didn't have a lens hood. And at this time, I wasn't really willing to pay for an actual lens hood. So I scoured the internet to see if I could find any files that I could print for this lens. Lo and behold, there was one guy who actually designed it. So I decided to print it and to see if it actually works. So I loaded the camera without checking if the film is engaged with the sprockets. And with that, I think I went through the entire roll, coming home and realizing that the shutter count was beyond 36 and I could still go on and on. And that's where I realized that the take-up spool was not really engaging with the film. And so I decided to rewind the entire roll, reload it again, and went out on a separate day. So in conclusion, I think I'm pretty happy with the 3D printed lens hood. The images came back really clear, there were no obstruction to the lens, there was no lens flare, and even no weird vignetting from the lens hood. So I guess I'll be using this lens hood as long as I can, and we'll see how long it lasts. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Do like and subscribe this video, and thank you for supporting this channel. See you in the next one.